Chicken thighs with orzo, under 30 minutes. This is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. For tonight's dinner, I will be preparing chicken thighs with orzo. Delicious, under 30 minutes. Now let's get started. Put your stove to medium heat. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And start with 9 organic chicken thighs. Season with salt and pepper both sides. To season the other side as well. Begin by browning the chicken thighs skin side first down. 4 minutes on each side. We're almost done browning the chicken thighs. The chicken is perfect. Tent the chicken thighs and set aside. Add 1 diced sweet onion to the pan and allow it to saute. To help it sweat, we're just going to add a little bit of kosher salt. We're going to saute it until it becomes translucent, approximately 4 minutes. The onions are translucent. 6 minced garlic cloves. We're going to cook it for approximately a minute, minute and a half. As soon as you can smell the garlic, you know it's ready. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. We're going to cook them until they burst. We're going to add the orzo. Orzo does look like a rice, but it's not. 2 cups of orzo. Mix it into the olive oil and allow it to toast. 4 minutes. The orzo has toasted beautifully. Add 3½ cups of chicken stock. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm just going to eyeball it. And 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix everything together and bring it to a boil. We're ready to put the chicken thighs back in the pan. Cover the pot. Lower your stove to simmer and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes. Absolutely fabulous. And I'm going to say it, if you can only smell my kitchen. Half a cup of Kalamata olives. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's give it a really good mix. Turn your stove off and add 1 cup of feta cheese. Can you taste it? We're going to mix it in. Beautiful. So good. Final touch, a little bit of parsley, and I'm ready to plate. I'm going to taste this for you with pleasure. Absolutely delicious. The orzo is delicious. Delicioso. You really must try this recipe and get back to me. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao. Ooh, let's eat.